Well, there it is, January 1st. Shop is pretty functional as is. Airlines ran, leak checked pretty good. I do have to grab a couple more quick neck fittings. I ran out of adapters and quick connects. I'm gonna change it all to newer stuff anyways. So everything's in. Airline is ran up above all the way to the front. Got that done Tuesday, Monday, something like that. It's what, Thursday? So started moving stuff in, got the kayaks in, got a shelf I repurposed from the barn. It was like 12-inch hardwood shelving. I just scalloped out some holders. So they're in, out of the weather, out of the elements, not taking up a whole lot of floor space. This was kind of unused spot anyways, but airline's in. It's just zip tied to the truss for right now. No big deal. It's not gonna go anywhere. And then ran to the air reel. And then I still haven't decided on the room setup over there yet. Still kind of weighing my options on which way I want to go, how big it needs to be, etc., etc. I do have a table in here. I got to figure out how to get the mill and the lathe here-ish, with the room kind of maybe being right here. I was gonna have some stuff on the walls, maybe like a bolt bin, stuff like that. But I gotta figure out square footage of this and then frame it up, get some 2x6s or 2x6s, 2x4s, some more plywood for the roof, and then some other stuff. But I was trying to figure it out. I did pick up a belt sander, not the greatest one, but it's better than the one I had, which is non-existent. So getting there. I still got to finish the insulation. I'm kind of ignoring it for right now because I'm dreading it. But back to work tomorrow, so 3 days. I can't really do anything much out here. And then next week, I got some projects I got to get done around the house, around the property, stuff like that. So I'm gonna uncover the Cougar and start working on the list for that. I gotta find it. I think it's in the trunk with a bunch of spare parts. So get that done, dug out, kind of get it set up to where I can work on it again, and then I'll move stuff in here as needed, and then figure out this whole room situation, because I don't have a lot of storage. I need some more cabinets like that, but not crappy plastic ones, to like just organize stuff, fluids, tools that are in like the blow molded cases. I have like detailing stuff in this one and some blow molded case stuff, but it's about full. So I need probably 2 or 3 more of those just to keep stuff looking organized, I guess. And then I have a couple more workbenches that I got to figure out where to put them, mill, lathe, engine stands, stuff like that. But I think that back corner is going to be storage for all that stuff for the time being. And then once the lean-to kind of gets enclosed, I think I might put some stuff out there too, because I don't know, taking up floor space, I guess. So, I have one more engine hoist that I can put out here. It doesn't fold up as good, but plan is to enclose that back wall and then this wall with all this extra metal that I got, and then paint it all one solid color. or leave it, because nobody's gonna see it except the neighbor up on the hill, and I really don't care. But I'm thinking this spot is gonna be left open for the tractor, just in case. I won't have use of that barn, possibly. We'll see. And then I gotta move all my stuff over. But yeah, Happy New Year to everybody. We'll update, hopefully get back on the car updates here soon, and get the car up and driving on the road. I gotta tune it, and I got a oil leak and a coolant leak right now, so probably just from sitting, hopefully running it a little bit more, we'll seal all those gaskets up, but we'll deal with that when the time comes. All right, see you guys.